Hello students, here we will go with the one point problem which they are going to ask for the side view, and we are going to take a problem number 15 from the VTU primer, where it says a point P is 30 in front of VP, 40 above HP. So above HP and in front of VP. So we need to first know the quadrant in which it lies, and 50 millimeter from the RPP. RPP means it's a right profile plane. When it comes to the right side to the observer, and on which the left side view is going to appear. Okay. So now to start with the problem, always for the side view, we tell the very first thing is to have the XY line. Already, if you know how to draw that, you can just copy it from the previous problem. Okay, and know the length of that one. Okay, where the quadrant lies in the first quadrant. When it comes to the first quadrant, normally here we are going to solve only one problem. We can write here as a VP and here is a HP. And moreover, we told if you want, you can just drop the things like with the VP, it's always the front view, and with the HP, it's always the top. And when you look for the problem, it's a 40 millimeter above. I've told many times. Okay, so you can just have one look like this. Okay, and there will be a point which is going to lie at this point here, and you will be seeing from here the front view will be here on the VP, and the top view will be here. Above means this much distance that will be visible in the front view. So when we say the distance here, it's a 40 millimeter above the HP. So let's take a line. I said when we click on a line, the property toolbar will appear here. Let's take a continuous one and with the point 1 and come away from the left side. Click on the XY line. So as we move near to the XY line, we change it color to the red color. That means it is on the XY line, and it is 40. Enter and 90. Enter. So we can just go to the smart dimension and click on this one to the left side, because to be able to have the right side view, sorry, left side view, okay, towards the right side. So better you keep the dimension to the left side. Now take one more line once again from the bottom of this line. It is 30 millimeter in front of the VP. So 30, enter, and it's minus 90, we say, because it is coming down the XY line. So we are supposed to take a minus 90 and do the dimension. It is 30 millimeter. And go to the point, and many times we told point thickness should be 2 millimeter. Just select the point and keep it at both ends. Now go back to the text and say this is your A dash, and this is A. Okay, so this is the step one where we locate the point, okay, with respect to the given quadrant. So once that one is done, so next we need to identify which view and which plane they have given. So here they have given RPP, that's the right profile plane. So that means it comes here, and they have specified some distance here. It is 50 millimeter. Okay, some most of the time they will specify the distance, or sometimes like they will say equidistance. Equidistance means you can take your own distance at that moment. So now take a line which is a continuous and with point 1 3, and you can just drop a line randomly, okay, and go to the smart dimension, and you can do the dimension between this and this as 50. Okay, so one view will get adjusted to that. Okay, so you can see now this is a 50 millimeter. Or else what you can do here is, so you can just take a line, okay, from this point, okay, say 50, enter 0. Okay, so now you just take a line point 1 3, and you can just move from this end, just move, don't click. You can see one alignment indicator, that's a dotted line, and you can just drop a vertical line. And after that, you can just delete line which you have drawn. Now go to the smart dimension, measure the distance between this line and this line. Also 50. So whichever the method you feel easy, you can just drop that one. Now go to the text caps lock on, it's x dash y dash, and this is RP. Okay, so this is the second step. What we say, locate the profile plane with a given condition. The condition is 50 millimeter, and it's a RPP, right profile plane. So the step three is we'll take a line 0.13 from the front view. We'll just draw one horizontal line. Okay, we're not going to measure the length and all. We'll just draw the horizontal line. Step 4 is draw a 45-degree line from the intersection. You can see when you move here, you can see that into mark. Okay, so that shows that intersection of x, y, and x dash, y dash. Click there, and it should be a 45 degree. And you can see when I'm moving down, the angle is shifting with respect to the minus and increasing order. So I need a 45 degree. I will give minus 45 degree and enter. So here for us the length is not a constraint. We just drop it here. Okay. And in order to measure the angle, so beside to the smart dimension, we have an option called dimension method, in which we have a right top drop down, and in that one we are going to get an angle between this line and this line. We just drag it. It's a 45 degree. That's a step 3. We say. Okay. So draw a 45 degree line. You are supposed to uh, wait for that intersection symbol. That's very important. Okay, that into one. After that one, the step 4 is draw a vertical line from the top view, okay, towards the 45-degree line until it intersects. So how we will come to know intersection? Either when you come near to that one, it will change its color to the red one, or else you can just pass it with the horizontal line. Okay, just pass it. And here we have in the line command, that's a draw command. There is a command called trim. Go to the trim, just click on these extra lines, it will trim it up. Okay, so this is the intersection point where exactly you need to get that one. So that's the step 4. Step 5 is take a line, okay, again 0.13 from this intersection point, extend vertical line until it intersects with the horizontal line from the front view, or else you just extend, and it should be a vertical line. If you want, you can just extend with the cursor point, or else you can just enter the angle here 90 degree. Automatically the line will be vertical line. Just cross it. Again go back to the trim option, trim both the extra lines. Now go to the point, take up 2 mm and place it at this intersection. So that is our, go to the text and a double dash. That is our, we can say LSV. So left side view. So this is how exactly we are going to locate the side view. Okay, so just to have a one repetition, what we say, we'll have XY line VPHP first quadrant. So we'll locate the quadrant in which it lies. Okay, then we'll locate the profile plane, either it's LPP or RPP. Then we'll draw one horizontal line from the front view, and then we'll draw one 45-degree line from the intersection of x1 and x dash y dash. Then we'll draw one horizontal line from the top view till it intersects with the 45-degree line. You can just draw crossing that one. Then go to the trim option. Here we have the trim option. Trim both the extra lines. Then from there you are going to draw the vertical line till it intersects with the horizontal line from the front view. So wherever they intersect, so that will be the LSU, that's the left side view, and we are going to draw it, denote that with the A double dash. Okay, so just zoom properly and check it out. Okay, so if you want to show like in which direction and all you are moving, so you can just go here. There is an option called leader. Okay, so you can just show the, see, from here to here we have moved, from here to here we have moved, and from here to here we have moved. From here we are taken like this, and from here we have come, and here we get intersection point, and that will be the side view of the. So that's how exactly. Okay. And there's one more like problem number 18. Okay, where he say there's a point A 30 millimeter in front, 20 mm above HP, and 25 millimeter from the LPP. Okay, so this problem we are taken to the RPP, and here we go with this problem where it says LPP. Okay, we have located the point here. Okay, and you can observe here the dimensions we are taken to the right side now because we are going to have a LPP, that's a left proper plane, and the method will remain same. Right, we are going to have a horizontal line across the plane. That's across the plane means left hand side. We are going to take a say to go to the leader. I will just mark like this. We will just mark like this, and we are moving upwards. So if I zoom properly, you can see we have taken a line here, and we have taken a line here. Wherever it intersects, we have moved up, and wherever it intersects, so that is nothing but a RSV, and it is on the LPP. And here it is a LSV, it is on the RPP. Okay, so that's how exactly we can do that side view.